This whole presentation we are going to run for one topic, that is how does the Facebook ad algorithm work. So yes, I know it's a bit complex topic, but trust me, I will make it super simple so that you can understand it very easily. So, okay, so the topic of this session is how does the Facebook ad algorithm work? But don't you think that first question should be like, what is the Facebook ad algorithm? Correct. First, we need to understand what is this algorithm means, and then why is Facebook algorithm. Once we got the question this what and why, then it will be easy for us to understand how does the Facebook algorithm work, right? So we will first look into that what is Facebook ad algorithm. Okay, so first thing you need to understand that algorithm is a kind of set of rules, okay, which determines which ads to be shown to whom, when to be shown, and at what cost it should be shown. Okay, it's a very simple, it's algorithm is a set of rules. So Facebook uses the ads algorithm to determine the best ads to be shown, the best audience, while also creating a very good user experience. Now, why does Facebook have an algorithm? So, to understand that, just look into the Mark Zuckerberg, one of the post. I think in 2000 and beginning he has posted something like that. I'm just going to read it out for you. One of our big focus area for 2018 is making sure the time we all spend on Facebook is time well spent. Okay, he's talking to his whole Facebook user and community. He's saying again, he's continuing again, we built Facebook to help people stay connected and bring us closer together with the people that matter to us. That's why we have always put friends and family at core of the experiences. Researchers shows that strengthening our relationship improves our well-being and happiness. But recently, we have, this is the important and last line is very important, but recently we have gotten feedback from our community that public content posts from business, brand, and media is crowding out the personal moments that lead us to connect more with each other. So last sentence very important. So with the help of the algorithm, what Facebook wants to do that only the relevant, engaging content should reach to the end user. Okay, relevant, engaging content, useful content from the business should only reach to the particular user on the Facebook, so that they will not feel that it's overcrowded from the business post and ads and all these things. So to prevent this, one Facebook algorithm is going to help Mark. Now, come to the why does Facebook have algorithm? We need to understand this. Okay, understand with two example. Okay, another aspect is like this. Suppose you are a company XYZ and you have billions of dollars, correct? And now you can run ads at highest cost. This way you acquire all the ad space and you can create a monopoly, right? If I'm a billionaire, I have lots of money, so what will I do? I will give the highest price for one ad and I will take all the spaces on the Facebook, so it's kind of monopoly. Okay, so of course Facebook does not want this, and this is not also good for everyone. So because of this reason Facebook is not going to display the ad of those people who are bidding very high, right? Okay, now second point is there is no rule, then your all timeline is filled with ads. Your friends and family posts will be vanished in that crowd. That's what I explained you in the previous slide, that if all our people are giving the ad, then of course your total timeline, total news feed is will fill with the business ads only. So of course we need to avoid, for avoiding this thing, Facebook is creating Facebook algorithm. Okay, now again, you need to understand the Facebook ad algorithm does not give the highest priority to the highest bid, correct? Because Facebook wants to create a good user experience. If advertisers monopolize the news feed, Instagram, the right hand column, or wherever you are advertising on Facebook, people won't return to Facebook. So it will definitely going to be a big loss for Facebook. So as a public company, Facebook needs more advertiser to generate the earning that interest Wall Street, but it also has to keep its users happy. So the auction manages these competitive factors by way of the Facebook advertising algorithm, or you can say Facebook ad algorithm. Okay, now let's dig into the four factors which decide your ads visibility. So there are four majorly important factors. Okay, one is inventory, second is signals, third is production, and fourth is the total value. So now let's understand what is the meaning of these four factors. So let's first start. Let's first get started with the inventory. So inventory represents the total stock of all the content available that can display to a user on Facebook news feed. Okay, so for example, in my news feed, what kind of contents I can see? I can see the content from my friends, family, people I'm celebrities I am following, all these kind of content, and some business are targeting me also. So those kind of content. So all these kind of content which are competing to be on our timeline, to be on my timeline, is called overall is called as a inventory. Okay, so this is also one of the very important factor, the total number of inventories supposed to be displayed on a particular person's news feed. Second is the signal. Signal is also one of the very important factor. This represent all the information that Facebook can gather about a piece of content. So if I have an ad I have posted, so Facebook is trying to figure it out, what type of content, okay, who's the publisher, the age, what age is targeting, what is the purpose, and so many other parameters and signals on which Facebook is categorizing this. So you want your content to the signal to the Facebook that's meaningful and relevant to your target audience. Then only you will get more like and people will more engage with your content. Third point is the prediction. Facebook also predict the user behaviors, okay, that how likely they are they are going to interact or have a positive interaction with your content. Facebook try to predict this. How Facebook is predicting? Previously Facebook is saying that suppose you are a user, what kind of content you are interacting more. Suppose for example, if you're a digital marketer or you are more inclined to learn digital marketing, so you might be interacting a lot of content with respect to digital marketing, right? You may be following some digital marketing pages, you are member of digital marketing group, you are clicking ads related to the digital marketing. So on the basis of all of your behavior, Facebook is predicting, okay, that the upcoming ad which is going to be shown to you, how will be your behavior, how much percentage, or they might have some scale 1 to 10, that what is your probability to engage positively with that content. And last, this is one of the very important factor. This is the total value. So this is the on Facebook is calculating the value. It's a total, you can say, highest value that reflect how Facebook sees your ad. Okay, so total value is a term you can say it uses to describe the auction. Value is not only about the money, it's also about the ad's relevance. So that's what I told you earlier, that if I'm bidding a lot of money for a particular ad, it doesn't mean my total value is the highest, correct? So if the total value is highest, suppose for 5 people are targeting the same kind of audience, okay, now Facebook is looking to that whose total value is highest, second highest, third highest. So top 3 people, okay, so top 3 people, okay, Facebook is going to show them the on the priority wise, add to their target audience, right? So remember, total value includes the money part also, highest bid part also, but other factors also there. Let's go into more detail about the total value. So basically the total value has 3 components: bidding, estimated action rate, and third is quality and relevance. Okay, these are the 3 important component of the total value. Let's understand what is bidding. Now you understand. Let's understand with an example. Suppose you are targeting men in India who has interest in digital marketing, age range 25 to 45 years. Okay, Facebook find that okay, there are 1 million people on FB. Okay, now 1000 other advertisers are also targeting the same audience. Now, Facebook cannot show every advertiser ad at the same time on the people timeline. Hence, Facebook conduct bidding. So there is a probability people who bids high will get more visibility. Okay, so there is one factor, because Facebook can't display everyone's ad at same time to all their targeted people, right? So the person who is going to bid high, okay, and there is automatic bidding also in the Facebook, okay, which automatically bid for you. But as overall, or you can say high level, you can understand high bidder can get good preference, okay, but other 2 factors are also important, okay, estimated action rates and quality and relevance. So let's dig more about what is bidding and what kind of bidding Facebook has. So bidding, basically they have 3 kind of bidding. One is the lowest cost, second is lowest cost with bid cap, and third one is the target cost. Let's understand what is all 3 all about. So lowest cost bid. Okay, lowest cost bid lets Facebook set the bid for you. Facebook is saying, okay, you need not to do anything. Let my algorithm, my system bid for you. Okay, so this tells Facebook to bid with a goal of getting you the lowest possible cost per optimization event, while also spending your entire budget by the end of the day or your ad sets campaign schedule. Now, okay, let's understand in this manner. For example, you are bidding for a particular ad. You have put that okay, whole day I have to spend 100 rupees, right? I have to spend 100 rupees and for one particular day. Now there are other people are also there who are saying that they will spend 500 rupees, 600 rupees, or they will they are doing manual bid and all these things. So what Facebook is looking into that, Facebook is looking into that time interval. Maybe he's saying that morning 7 to 10 a.m., 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., other advertisers are not bidding high. So at that time, Facebook find it suitable times to display your ad. Okay, your ad spend. And then if you find that okay, 12 to 4 o'clock, there are so many competitors in everywhere. So at that time, Facebook will not display your ad. It will save your money, because at that particular time, Facebook spend your whole 100 rupees, but you will not get the more click, because your ads are not visible, because other advertisers are bidding very high and it's highest, right? So Facebook automatically decide that when to show your ads, because you have put lowest cost bid, okay, to the Facebook. You're just saying that okay, lowest cost bid, and you show my ad anytime, whatever time you want, okay, on the whole day. So this is called lowest cost bid. Second is target cost, sorry, B, lowest cost bid plus, one second, lowest cost with bid cap. This is point B. I thought that point B is missed here, but let me explain you what is the meaning of lowest cost with bid cap. Lowest cost with bid cap means that I'm saying Facebook, okay, you can put the lowest cost, suppose per lead I am targeting. So Facebook is trying to manage the lowest cost for per lead, but you are saying that okay, you try lowest cost per bid, but it should not more than 10 bucks or 10 rupees per lead. Okay, Facebook saying you are saying this, okay, you try to give me the lowest cost, but it should not be more than 10 rupees per lead, for example. So in this case, what will happen? In this case, Facebook try to show your ad to only those people where he will get lowest cost with your bid cap. So in this case, there will be less impression, okay, less impressions. You will get, your ad might get less impression. Now let's go to the C. This is a target cost. So target cost is here also you have to tell the cost, but it can be okay, it can be average, so maybe 10% more or 10% less. You are giving Facebook this authority, okay, that it should be, if I'm saying a 10 rupees, so it should be average of 10 rupees, and there should be some variation into your cost, actual cost. Okay, now this is all about the bid. So bid is one of the important factor to decide into the total value. Okay, now second, which is very important for part of the Facebook algorithm, is that each ad set is optimized for action. First, you need to understand that estimated action rate, I'm going to explain that each ad set is as optimized for action. Like you want maximum, you want link clicks, or you want lead, you want conversion. So there is one optimization objective of your ad, correct? Now estimated action rates represent how likely Facebook thinks a person is to take that action. Okay, but Facebook is thinking, okay, this is your link click ad. Now there is a 50% of chance for that particular person to click on that link. Okay, this helps differentiate between an ad being generally relevant to someone's interest and it being likely to cause them to take the action that you are optimizing for that. So we base our estimate, okay, Facebook bases our estimates on the previous action of the person which you are trying to reach on that ad's historical data. So as I explained you earlier, so Facebook is looking into that okay, you are optimizing for the link click. Now on the same kind of ad, how the other people are likely to click on the link. Okay, so this of course we don't know much detail about that, how Facebook actually, what are the matrices and all these things they are using. Facebook generally don't reveal this, but this is what we can we can guess, okay, that on a particular person's ad historical performance of data, Facebook estimate that what could be the action rate on your particular ad. Now third, which is very important, quality and relevance. Now Facebook represents how interested we think a person will be in seeing your ad with measures of its overall quality and specific relevance. Suppose for example, if you are targeting for your online course, okay, your maybe digital marketing course, to some professor who's a math professor and who's not interested into digital marketing, or you are targeting someone else, someone which is not interested in your content. First thing. Second thing, maybe your content is very poor quality, okay, whatever you are targeting and all these things, and after that people are not reacting on on your ad. So On the basis of that, how the people are engaging with your content, Facebook derive one relevance score. So basically, relevance score is a number Facebook shows you. That said, improving your targeting or creative. Targeting means you are targeting a particular set of audience, and creative means that your image, video, whatever things you are showing in the front of your customer, if you are improving this, okay, may lead an improved relevance score. Okay, so this is the last thing. So now we understand the total value is your bidding plus estimated action rate and quality and relevance. On the basis of all these three, Facebook decide the total value of your ad, and if your total value of your ad is high, then your ad will be seen to the most people, and actually your cost of the ad will be less. Okay, so thank you very much for this session, and if you have any questions or anything, you can comment it here, and definitely I will answer all of your questions. So thank you very much for joining this session along with me.